Hi guys, it's Dawn. How are you today? Have I got a sale for you? So let's just get started. Let's dive in and see what we got. This is going to be a very reasonable sale, and it's going to be a lot of stuff. And I hope that you will join me and, you know, enjoy this sale. So let's get started right now. And let me tell you what this is all about. This is going to be called a large mixed media art supply pack because what I'm doing is I'm basically creating huge art packs for you, and I'm leaving nothing out. Let me just run you. This is an example of what's going to be in the box. I am filling one of these big, huge, I can't get it in the screen. This big, it's a medium flat rate box, not the deep one, but this big, long, wide one. And so it's going to be packed full of mixed media art supplies. And so let me show you examples of what is going to be in it. So first off, I've got a huge library filled with different books, right? Some of these art journaling books. And so each one's going to come with one or two of these art journaling books, and like Somerset Studios, art journaling. Let me grab a couple more down here. We have Somerset, Apprentice, Somerset Studios, so Creative Awakenings, Art Journalings, Artist Journal Workshop. This needs to go back in my library. Taking Flight. So as you can see, I'm just going to go through and put one or two of these in each kit. Okay, so there's going to be one or two of these in each kit plus one or two regular books. Okay, so that's an example of what is going to be in each kit. So you will definitely be getting one or two art type magazines, and one or two, probably two big books. Okay, some of these old books that I have that they're just lovely for art journaling. This is a beautiful butterfly book, and this is a beautiful English Costumes of the 19th Century book. So they're all very old. I'm just going to put vintage books in here as well as some art related books too. So that's that. So there's going to be one or two of each of those, and then I'm going to add a bunch of music sheets, a bunch of scrap paper. I'm going to add some fabric. I'm going to add miscellaneous stacks of napkins. I'm going to add 3 or 4 washi tape for you. I'm going to even add some paint for you, some different kind of paint. So mostly this kind of craft paint. All of them are full. If not brand new, most of them are full. And then just some of this Tim Holtz Distress Stain. One or two of these, depends on if I run out, then I'll have to find a different kind of paint to put in there for you. But then there's going to be some paint brushes, some new, some used, some old, some new, whatever. And then I'm going to add miscellaneous art supplies like some stickers and some stamps and some mark making things, and also I'm going to add some Fatty Patty pages. So you are going to be getting all of this kind of art supply plus more, and for $15 plus shipping, and it's going to be jam-packed with a lot more than you see here, but the miscellaneous art supplies are just going to be what I see and what I can put in there for you. But it should be fun. So basically you're going to be ready to go because you're going to have stamps and paint and brushes and paper. And and don't forget the Fatty Patty pages to give you some inspiration. So head over to my Etsy shop right now and help me de-stash a little bit. And in the meantime, get ready to start a new Fatty Patty with me. And this kind of stuff will give you lots of stuff to play with in your Fatty Patty. You can cut these out. You can use them, read them, and then cut them out and use them in your own Fatty Patties. That's what I would do. That's what I have done, and that's what I will continue to do. But I have a lot, and I want to share them with you. So head over to my Etsy shop right now and buy one. And then also, you can also pay me with PayPal. So, but you'll have to pay me on PayPal, obviously, before I send it. And then also, I have a really large library of some really cool old journals and stuff, like ledgers and stuff that I will be selling and some really cool books. So stay tuned for some books that are for sale. Basically, I'm cleaning out my library and then adding a lot of fun stuff for you guys as just to share my stash. So anyway, so head on over to Etsy and help me destash a little bit, help support the channel, and pick up some art supplies, like a crap ton of art supplies while you're at it with some inspiration. All right, you guys, thanks so much. Have a great day. See you soon. Love you. Bye now. See you on Etsy.